I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to make Nutella mousse without cream. First, gather your 3 essential ingredients: 1 cup of Nutella, 2 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them whip up beautifully. You'll also need a clean, dry mixing bowl and an electric mixer to achieve that perfect airy texture. Now let's create the airy base for our mousse. Carefully separate the 2 large egg whites into a very clean, dry bowl. Using your electric mixer, whip the egg whites on medium-high speed. Once they start to get foamy, gradually add 1 tablespoon of the granulated sugar. Continue whipping until you achieve firm, glossy stiff peaks, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we'll prepare the rich Nutella base. In another bowl, whisk the 2 egg yolks with the remaining 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar until light and creamy. For easier mixing, gently warm 1 cup of Nutella in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This makes it more fluid. Now, carefully fold the softened Nutella into the egg yolk mixture until it's completely smooth and well combined, creating a luscious base. The final step is to combine everything for that light, airy texture. Take about 1/3 of your whipped egg whites and gently fold them into the Nutella and egg yolk mixture. This lightens the base. Then, carefully fold in the remaining egg whites in 2 separate additions, being careful not to deflate the air. Spoon the mousse into serving glasses and chill for a minimum of 2 hours, or until set, for a delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.